Everybody, my mama is back with some words. She will ask me the Hindi word and I have to guess the English word. That will be a lot of fun. Let's start.
Hi Saachi,
Hi mama.
are you ready?
Yes.
So tell me, what is the English meaning of khana?
Eat it.
Sona,
Sleep.
rona,
Cry.
nahana,
Bath.
very good. Jana,
Go.
ana,
Eat it.
ana,
Anna.
jana and ana.
Jana. Come.
Jana go, ana,
Anna. Come.
padna,
Read.
likhna,
Write.
ladna, fight.
Fight.
What is fight?
Fighting. Buddy is hitting one and other is hitting one. There.
Okay. Bolna,
Right? This will fighting.
okay. Bolna,
Speak.
very good. Batna,
Sit down.
उठना,
Wake up.
कपड़े पहनना,
Wear your clothes.
लेना,
Give.
टेक,
Take.
देना,
Give.
बंद करना,
Close it or off it.
वेरी गुड. बिल्ली,
Cat.
दिल्ली.
Delhi.
दिल्ली is what? State?
State.
Okay. इधर आओ,
Come here.
yes. उधर जाओ,
Go there.
बैठ जाओ,
Sit down.
उठ जाओ,
Get up.
इधर देखो,
Look at that side.
this side.
This side.
उधर देखो,
Look at that side.
दौड़ना.
Run.
How do you use this word? Make one sentence to tell about run.
I am. My friend is going to run.
कूदना.
Corner.
What do you do on the trampoline?
Jump.
Yes.
Bye.
नाचना.
Not. No.
What do you do on the music?
Play. Make dance.
Yes. So, that's all.
That's all. Hope you enjoy my Hindi to English. So, when I learn more Hindi, I'll be back with one more video. Namaste. Bye.